When an alert fires in production, speed matters. But most teams still spend too much time figuring out what happened and what to do next. That's why NTTR stays high. Engineers start digging through logs, traces, metrics, code, and infrastructure state to piece together the root cause. It's manual, repetitive, and slow. And in noisy systems, it gets even worse. You aren't just investigating real problems, you're wasting time on things that don't matter. So the response gets dragged down from both sides. Real issues take too long to understand, and noisy alerts waste time and cause fatigue. That is where Metoro comes in. Metoro's AI automatically investigates alerts by pulling together the relevant telemetry, infrastructure context, and code changes. It determines what happened, identifies if there is an actual production issue or whether it's just noise. Then, if there is an issue, it root causes it. So instead of waking up to an alert, you wake up to the solution. Let's take a look at a real alert. We have an alert for CPU usage for the ingestion service in Metoro. This service normally runs at about 10% of its limit. We set up an alert if it rises above 15%. If it does rise above that, then it's possible that we have introduced a regression that significantly increased CPU usage. This alert is useful, but is exactly the sort of thing that we'd shy away from using normally because it could be noisy. Plenty of normal events could cause the alert to fire. Natural traffic increases, deployment scale downs, spiky background jobs. But with Metoro, we can send that alert to the AI to investigate with some instructions telling it to only ping us if there's actually a problem. Later, this alert fires. Let's look at what happens. Immediately, Metoro starts root causing. It determines the current CPU usage and quickly sees that there was a traffic spike that caused CPU to rise. It checked profiling information before and after and saw that functions were using the same proportion of CPU as they were before, so no regression introduced. Metoro then stops the alert from escalating any further and we sleep through the night. So that's AI Alert Investigation. Try it now by enabling it in your account settings.